we are going to be protecting this £100,000 Maserati Levante Modena. Decontamination is the first step, followed up by a clay bar. This is so the paint protection film sets to the car correctly and you don't get any peeling or bubbling. When applying the PPF, we are going to start off with the bigger panels and the bonnet and then move on to the smaller panels on the car. If you're unsure what PPF is a film that you apply over the top of the paint job of your car, and this will protect the vehicle from swirls, scratches, rock chips and the elements. So, if you are looking to get your car protected, then get in touch with us today. Once the smaller pieces are finished, the car will then be complete. This Maserati is now protected, keeping the paintwork in pristine condition. So, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, then please leave a like and subscribe to see more content on the cars that we do at Smart Car Automotive. And until the next video, goodbye.